Rockford homeowners know how challenging it can be to maintain a comfortable home throughout Illinois' seasonal extremes. Winters are frigid, summers can be humid and warm, and energy costs fluctuate as heating and cooling systems work overtime. One home improvement upgrade that makes a remarkable difference, yet is often overlooked, is installing modern replacement doors. Today's replacement doors are designed with advanced energy-efficient features that help keep your Rockford home comfortable year-round while reducing energy waste and lowering utility bills. Here's how upgrading to modern replacement doors can dramatically improve energy efficiency in Rockford houses. Improved insulation for consistent indoor temperatures. Older doors can lose effectiveness over time. Warping, cracking, and worn weather stripping create gaps that allow cold winter air and hot summer air to enter your home. Modern replacement doors are engineered with superior insulation that helps stabilize indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient door features often include high-density foam insulation cores, thermally efficient materials like fiberglass and steel, advanced sealant systems, and multi-point locking mechanisms, durable weather stripping designed to eliminate drafts. These enhancements create a stronger barrier between your home and the outdoors, ensuring more consistent temperatures throughout every room. Reduced air leaks and drafts. Air leaks are one of the biggest contributors to energy loss in Rockford homes. Even small gaps around a door frame can lead to significant heat transfer, causing furnaces and air conditioners to cycle more frequently. Modern replacement doors solve this issue by creating tighter seals using compression gaskets that lock out outside air, eliminating the gaps commonly found in aging wooden doors, maintaining structural integrity during temperature changes. With reduced drafts, your HVAC system won't work as hard, saving you money and improving overall comfort. Energy-efficient glass inserts for better performance. Many Rockford homeowners love doors with decorative glass panels. Thankfully, modern designs now offer energy-efficient glass inserts that look beautiful without compromising insulation. Energy-efficient glass inserts include low-E, low emissivity coatings that reflect heat, double or triple pane construction, gas-filled insulation between panes, UV blocking technology. These features allow natural light to enter your home while preventing heat from escaping during winter or entering during summer. Materials built to withstand Rockford's climate. The Midwest's freeze-thaw cycles, humidity, and harsh winter storms can be tough on traditional wooden doors. Over time, wood can swell, rot, or warp, compromising energy efficiency. Modern replacement doors use climate-resistant materials such as fiberglass, resists warping, rotting, and moisture. Steel offers exceptional durability, and insulation composite materials combine strength, efficiency, and longevity. These materials maintain their shape and seal far better than older door construction, allowing them to stay energy efficient for decades. Lower heating and cooling bills. Because replacement doors reduce heat transfer, block drafts, and help regulate indoor temperatures, Rockford homeowners often see immediate savings on their energy bills. When your furnace or AC doesn't have to constantly compensate for temperature loss, your monthly expenses naturally decrease. This can lead to lower annual energy costs, reduced strain on heating and cooling systems, fewer HVAC repairs, and longer system lifespan. A more sustainable, eco-friendly home. For many homeowners, the financial benefits alone justify upgrading their doors. Enhanced comfort throughout the home. Energy-efficient replacement doors improve more than your utility bills. They significantly enhance daily comfort. With a secure, properly insulated door in place, homeowners enjoy fewer cold spots near entryways, better humidity control, more consistent temperatures from room to room, reduced noise from outside. This creates a more peaceful and pleasant living environment throughout every season. A smart upgrade for Rockford homeowners. Modern replacement doors offer a powerful combination of energy efficiency, durability, and style. For Rockford homeowners who want to reduce energy waste, lower monthly bills, and stay comfortable year-round, installing an energy-efficient replacement door is one of the most practical upgrades available. If you're ready to protect your home from Rockford's weather while enjoying long-term savings and a fresh new look, upgrading to a modern replacement door is a smart investment that pays off year after year.